Hello students, how are you? As you all know, we have completed our 2 chapters in the previous videos and third chapter I have taught you. So the concept perimeter from in that I have to explain you. So let's see what is meant by perimeter. Now see here, perimeter. Here is a story given. What is meant by a perimeter you will be able to understand it. Now every morning Sudhir goes for a jog to a park near his house, which looks as shown in the given figure. Now here this is a park where Sudhir goes to jogging every morning. Here you can see this is Sudhir. He goes to the park for jogging. The jogging track is along the boundary of the playground, and the length of its various parts are as given. The jogging track is around the बाउंड्री ऑफ प्लेग्राउंड. वो जो जॉगिंग ट्रैक है वो प्लेग्राउंड की जो बाउंड्री है उसके पास में है और उसकी लेंथ भी दी हुई है. हियर इट इज़ 220 मीटर, 80 मीटर, 100 मीटर, 75 मीटर and 200 meter. This all the lengths they have given here. Now let's see. The society to which the park belongs want to fence the same with wire so that the introducers cannot be stopped. जो सोसाइटी जिनका ये पार्क है वो इस पार्क को फेंस करना चाहती है यानी बाउंड्री लगाना चाहती है. सो व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस, उनको कितनी वायर लगेंगी, व्हाट इज द टोटल डिस्टेंस अराउंड द पार्क दैट रिक्वायर फेंसिंग्स. ये पार्क का पूरा डिस्टेंस कितना हुआ और उनको कितने फेंसिंग की ज़रूरत है. ना हाउ टू कैलकुलेट इट. टोटल डिस्टेंस अराउंड द पार्क दैट रिक्वायर्स फेंसिंग. नाउ पेरीमीटर मीन्स सम ऑफ all sides. Simply you can remember sum of all sides. So you have to add this all sides together. This is 100 meter, this is 75 meter, it is 200 meter plus 220 meter plus 80 meter. Total it comes 675 meter. So we call the distance around the park its perimeter. ये जो distance बोला जाएगा इसको पेरीमीटर कहा जाएगा. Thus, the distance around a figure is called its perimeter. It is found by adding the length of the sides of the figure. You can find the perimeter by adding the sides of the park, or whatever the figure is given, just you have to add the sides. So you can find out the perimeter. I hope everybody has understood what is meant by perimeter. Now let's see how to find the perimeter of the given figures. Here I will show you a figure which is shown in graph. You can see here the figure I have enlarged for you. They have shown in graphics, and they have, this squares is of 1 square centimeter. This box is 1 square centimeter. So 1 2 3. This is 3 centimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is 8 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter, and this is 9 centimeter. So let's see how they will find it. Now we can find the perimeter of such given alongside by counting the number of 1 centimeter squares. As I have told you, you need to count the squares, boxes. So add this all the given numbers. It is 3 centimeter plus 8 plus 9 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 34 centimeter. In this way you can find the perimeter of the given figure which is given in graph. Now general figure. When figure is given and its measurement is given, you can see it here. Like this. In this way they have given the figure and its sides are given. So you can copy down in your notebook. Now again simply you have to do addition of all sides. The perimeter of given figure means how many they have given. It is total 24 centimeter. In this third figure you can see here, this is the figure. This is 7 centimeter. It is 6, it is 5, it is 4, and again it is 5. So again you have to add all the sides. It will come 27 centimeter. So I hope you understood it, how to find the perimeter of these given figures. Now perimeter of triangle. How to find the perimeter of a triangle? This is a triangle. You can see triangle is having three sides A, B, C, and the lengths are given here. It is 7 cm, it is 3 cm, it is 4 cm. Now just let us learn about how to find the perimeter of a triangle. Now we learned that the perimeter of a simple closed curve made up of a line segment is the sum of length of all line segments. Means simply you know which any figure which is given, you have to add all the sides. Now let us know the perimeter of a triangle. Now in case of triangle ABC, now ABC, this is a triangle. Perimeter of triangle ABC means you have to add the three sides AB plus BC plus CA. So 7 cm plus 4 cm plus 3 cm is equal to 14 cm. So you can simply write the formula. Perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of its sides, all sides, or equilateral, which is equal in all side, will be side plus side is equal to 3 into side, and equilateral triangle is equal in all sides. Now let's find the perimeter of a rectangle. Here they have given a rectangle. As all know, rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. This is length and this is breadth. It is having four sides, but its opposite sides are equal. So how to find the perimeter of a rectangle? Let's see. Now a rectangle has opposite sides of the same measure. As you know, a rectangle is having opposite side which measures same. Now perimeter of rectangle. AB, this is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Means this is AB is length, BC is breadth, again CD is length, and DA is breadth. Means 2 times length and 2 times breadth. So you can write here like this: 2 is equal to length plus 2 breadth. So you can take this 2 common, length plus breadth. So the formula for rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. In this way you have to find out the rectangle of perimeter of a rectangle. We will solve some examples on it. Just now understand what I am explaining. Now perimeter of a square. Now this is a square. As you all know, square is equal in all sides. Square is equal in all four sides. It is having equal sides. So sum of all line segments means all AB, BC, CD, DA. Means you can consider this segment S. S plus S is equal to 4S. So the formula for it will be perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. In this way you can solve it. Now let's see some examples over it. Now here an example is given. Let's read it. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with all the sides measuring 6 cm each. Find its perimeter. As I have told you, equilateral means a triangle which is having equal sides. All three sides are equal. So it is known as equilateral triangle. And they have given the measurement 6. Means it should measure 6 on all sides. AB also measures 6, BC also measures 6, and CA also measures 6. So it is known as equilateral triangle. Now they told find its perimeter. Now what is the formula for an equilateral triangle? As I have shown you before, equilateral means equal. 3 into side is equal to 3 into length of one side is equal to 3. What is the length of one side? 6. 6 3s are 18. It is 18 cm. So the perimeter of the triangle ABC is 18 cm. Now let's see second example. The measure of a side of a square is 7 cm. Here they have given a square and its measurement is 7 cm. So all the sides it will measure 7 because square is equal on all sides. All the four sides of square are equal. Now find the perimeter of the square. Now they told to find the perimeter of a square. Now what is the formula for square? Perimeter of a square, it is 4 multiplied by side. As the square is having 4 sides and all the sides are equal, so the formula is 4 multiplied by side. This 4 means 4 sides, and what is the given side? It is 7 centimeter. So 4 sevens are 28. So the perimeter of the given square is 28 centimeter. Now let's see another example. The length of the side AB and CD of the rectangle ABCD are 3 cm each, and the length of the side BC and DA are 6 cm each. Find its perimeter. Now here they have given a rectangle. As you all know, the rectangle is opposite sides are equal. So they have given the length and breadth of it. So let's find it how to do. Now perimeter of rectangle. As you know, you have to add all sides, and the formula is also given to us. Perimeter of a rectangle is ABCD is equal to 2 length plus breadth. 2 means 2 length and 2 breadth. 2 is equal to length, it is given 6 and breadth is given 3. 6 plus 3 it will be 9. 2 9s are 18. So the given perimeter will be 18 centimeter. I hope everybody has understood how to take out the perimeter of the given figures or triangle or square or rectangle. Thank you.